ऑलराइट गाइस, एपिसोड चालू करने के पहले जस्ट क्विक रिमाइंडर अबाउट इंडिया टूर, यूरोप टूर एंड यूके टूर 40 अनसेंसर्ड। टिकट लिंक्स है नीचे। 50% टिकट्स ऑलरेडी चले गए हैं, तो जो बाकी बचे हैं प्लीज खरीद लो। जितना जल्दी खरीदोगे उतना बेटर होगा। एंड या थैंक यू टू ऑल दोज ऑफ यू बॉट इट एंड ऑल दोज ऑफ यू नॉट बॉट इट, प्लीज बाय इट। टिकट लिंक नीचे। अभी बात करते हैं मेन चीज के बारे में। जीत गया।
डिओड्रेंट।
जीत गया
ओह अच्छा।
इंडिया।
ऐसा हाथ ऊपर किया तू तो। By the way, I have seen Thakur for a month in this same t-shirt, and Thakur is going to explain what happened with that one t-shirt.
No, this, by the way, let me tell you, this t-shirt I'm wearing right now is not the current India jersey. It's the one I wore
Because it's a
on 19th of November 2023.
ओ
एंड इसके अंदर अभी भी मेरे आंसू है। ठीक है,
Oh.
आंसू से ज्यादा है। लेकिन अभी ये सब धुल चुका है और साफ हो चुका है क्योंकि अपने जीत गए वर्ल्ड कप। सो बताओ अपनी अपनी स्टोरियां, बट पहले hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random decisions, we to facts, TV, and opposite stories, and we talk about it. And let's talk about India fucking winning the World Cup. ICC trophy after 11 years. क्या बात है?
Yes.
किधर थे सब लोग? क्या क्या किए? पहले तू बता बाबा।
मैं लंदन के सड़कों पे लिटरली आई एम नॉट एग्जैजरेटिंग. आई हैव गॉट टीयर्स इन माय आईज.
अरे
Not one bit I'm exaggerating. It was outstanding. I couldn't believe that it was happening. Also because the last 3 overs I had to see on Cricinfo. Okay, so I'm
तू मैच भी
literally
नहीं देखा है? तू टेक्स्ट में देखा है वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल?
Oh no.
yes,
रोया
because
की बारिश पड़ रही थी।
नहीं रोया. Because can I see the reason for it is because the last 5 overs or 6 overs, whatever, पहले तो you had to find a bar and Sky TV and all of that, जो नहीं चल रहा था. मेरा VPN भी for some reason नहीं चल रहा था. So and I did all this Ronaldo7.net ये सब लिंक ढूंढने का कोशिश किया, वो फ्री वाला जो आता है नहीं मिला. तो I was going for play. तो मैं literally the last 5 overs, 7 overs, I have read on scroll, ऐसा refresh करते करते. तो initially we were okay, but then those
Were
last
you in the
5
play
became
when we won? Like play में कोई रोने ऐसे
no.
मैकबेथ का
I'm
रोने का
coming
सीन
to
चल
this.
रहा है और बाबा ऐसे yes.
No, I'm coming to this.
Right.
I'm coming to
Okay.
this. I'm coming to this. Wait. So, it's getting really cut to cut, right? And we're watching we're scrolling through the thing, and everyone is whoever's. You can see a couple of other Indians on the street, and all of them are all on their phones, so you know what's happening. And there are these one or two nine mataks that's happening. कि बहुत tight है भाई, ये तो बहुत tight है. And 30 balls, 30 runs. I was like, गया, एक और गया.
गया.
Of course, then no South Africa, so hope is there that they will choke. But and then the last 3 overs, and I think when Bumrah came to bowl the 19th over, I was like, sorry, when Arshdeep bowled the 19th over and Bumrah bowled the 18th, I was like, because at the end of the 18th, I was like, do you do Pandya now or do you do Arshdeep now? And then of course you do Arshdeep now to bring up the runs. And when the Sky catch happened, I got text messages on my WhatsApp groups.
How was it
What a
written in
catch,
text,
what a
Baba?
catch, what a catch, what a catch, right? And then I saw out. So even now, I thought it was some catch. Because you said what a catch means, it still could have been dive करके लिया, ये करके लिया, वो सब करके लिया. Then the text description opens up of what an outstanding catch across the border, across the boundary, tosses it up, this, that, and the other. Presence of mind can go down as one of the greatest catches of all time, considering the situation.
Bro,
बोला एक मिनट ये क्या catch
your
है?
father tells you about Kapil Dev's catch in 1983. My dad to this date, one of the earliest memories of cricket is my dad telling me Kapil Dev 21 steps भाग के catch लिया है. अभी तक मेरा बाप बोलते रहता है. मैं अपने बच्चे को कौतुक ईरा को ये स्काई वाला कैच बोलेंगे, ये वैसा वाला कैच था. Bro, to have that of mind to do this on a genuine dead rubber game also is tough, but to do it because the guy he caught is fucking David Miller. ठीक है, डेविड मिलर अगर रह गया तो खत्म था. स्पेशली इफ स्टार्टेड विद तो 5 बॉल में 10 लोग 3 बॉल में खत्म कर देता.
खत्म.
तो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, दैट कैच वाज इनसेन. And just
So,
to
and the way he took it. So, one second, I'll finish. So, the point here was that, so I have not seen the catch. So, now
हाँ.
what do you do? Because greatest catch of all time ये सब लिखा है तो किधर तो मैं ट्विटर पे जाके ढूंढ रहा हूँ कैच मैं YouTube पे जाके ढूंढ रहा हूँ but it's not updated yet, right? It's
हाँ.
not updated yet because no one's put it up. Then I see one catch where it's just that, you know, that meme which went where he's holding the ball and someone's put a World Cup over there. So that's the shot I saw. So I said, okay, this अभी मेरे को ये घर जाके वापस देखना पड़ेगा because I was missing the match also in the pursuit of this catch. So then I've done all this pull. Finally, I have reached that 50th over. Now my play, the third bell has
Play is
gone.
still going on.
Oh God.
The third bell has gone for the
Oh,
play to
God.
start. So I have stood at the door and I'm like, guys, India's winning. There's 3 balls left. And yeah, this Hardik Pandya bowls one wide. So I'm like, अरे यार तू extend मत कर game यार. मैं already stressed में because by that third fourth ball you knew that you more or less had it. It was more or less ours. We just didn't have to really fuck up, right? I'm like, I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. So I missed 10 minutes of the play, which I have had to watch on one screen. Then during the break, they sort of during a moment they let you go in. So that's how I saw it. But when it's happened, tears have rolled down my eyes. I'm standing at the doors of the theater, and I'm literally, my eyes are welling, and there's just like 2 drops. And somebody has asked me, "So are you okay?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm fine. It's just that India won the World Cup."
I am more than
then-
okay.
Yeah, then I've gone into the play and I'm still doing Siski, bro. So I'm
Oh.
sitting in the play doing Siski. I couldn't think, और साला प्ले के इसमें नेटवर्क नहीं है तो मैं ये सब
But
रोहित का
बाबा-
स्पीच ये सब नहीं देख पा रहा था.
और
One
सब
second,
बोल रहे हैं,
Baba.
sir, why are you crying? We are watching Book of Mormon. It's a comedy. Why do you have people?
ऐसा कॉमेडी इंडिया में करने नहीं मिलता हम लोग को.
So
But
yeah,
Baba,
what an
why were you
experience.
crying? Like, what was the
Yeah, what
was
was
it
the
because
trigger?
of 19 November or was it something
Yeah.
like what?
I
what was
don't. I mean,
Badla.
for all the trolling that you have done to me, Kautuk, you know that I am a huge fan of the game and also a huge Rohit Sharma fan. And I think that this really was redemption for that. I think he deserves the cup. I think as a captain, one of
Yeah.
the greats, I would say, one of the greats in captains as well that this country has had. I'd put him up with Ganguly, Dhoni, Kapil Dev, him. I would say he's up there in these. That's the range of captains that I would put him in this country. And for me, I don't know why, but it felt cathartic to experience this, and I didn't have the celebration that India would have had because I was not in India.
Hmm.
So there's nobody who's going ऐसा flag लेके वो सब videos देखे.
अच्छा
So
तू
it was
तेरे को ढोल वाला नहीं मिला उधर.
कुछ भी आवाज नहीं था. तो I have experienced it in its purest, like, you know, solitary में जब खुशी होती है, like when you're alone and you're the only one who can experience it. It was that kind of a thing, and I couldn't help but there was just like just tears. I mean, sure, friends and all were there, but tears and all just rolling down, and friends not interested as much in cricket over. Didn't matter.
Bro,
but
मैं
for
तेरे जगह
me-
पे होता मैं शायद प्ले को कल्टी दे देता. बोला मार प्लीज पहले थोड़ा नाचते.
नहीं
बहुत
उधर भी
पैसा-
पैसा दिया है ना, उधर भी पैसा
Can I
दिया
just बहुत पैसा दिया. That's the problem. And the other thing is, the next thing, which is really, really funny, is the next day, England is playing Slovakia in football, which was yesterday.
है. Yesterday.
So we happened to be, and England football, you know the scene and all of that, and you saw the game, and it was terrible till the 94th minute when Jude has done what he's done, right? And that energy which happened when Jude scored, I sort of transpose. Not only, yeah, sure, England's my team, you know this and all that, but I transposed the Indian victory celebration onto that in some sort of way. And I was like, yeah, and all that. And literally one of them looked at me and said, had done that. And I was like, no, we won the World Cup yesterday. So he's like, everyone high five. So it was pretty, that one moment was nice.
तू चिल्लाते चिल्लाते बोल रहा है कि इंग्लैंड में आया भूत साउथ अफ्रीका की, और सब लोग बोल रहे क्या.
No, also I really like
साथ खेल रही है इंग्लैंड.
how Baba defers his celebration. तो क्रिकेट का सेलिब्रेशन वो फुटबॉल में करता है, अभी फुटबॉल का सेलिब्रेशन वो टेनिस में करेगा,
विंबलडन में
No,
करेगा.
no, it's just
विंबलडन में करेगा.
no. I didn't have an outlet
I know.
for the
Jokes,
abrasive.
jokes, बाबा, jokes.
No, I
Yeah, Baba,
understood.
way to
I'm
take it
saying that
seriously.
Yeah.
no. So I meant that the tears, I think, came from the fact that I didn't have an outlet, and there was a gush of emotion, and it felt personal this time. I mean, considering how all of you all have told me, you
Speaking of-
especially Kautuk bastard.
Speaking of outlet, there was one of us who was being broadcast to the whole country while this was happening.
तो हम लोग तो चिल्ला रहे हैं उधर बैठ के. मैं
Yeah.
ब्लॉग में दिखाऊंगा तुमको उधर. एंड इमेजिन योर आई एम वाचिंग इट एट स्टार स्पोर्ट्स ऑफिस.
Yeah.
There could be more sports. उधर you can't turn one right and not have a TV with the match playing. तो क्रिकेट ही है उधर पूरा टाइम. तो ये एक महीना जो उधर था, मैं ऐसे स्क्रीन और स्क्रीन पे बैट बॉल ही चालू है.
हाँ.
So
Also, by the way, the one thing that used to happen during Star is we are watching it on the TV screen on a telecast screen, but there are edit offices right outside. So there would be points where you would hear those people scream and nothing's really happened on our broadcast yet. So
7
you know
seconds
something
later.
massive has happened that we are catching 5 seconds late. हाँ.
पागल. अच्छा, मेरा पूरे व्लॉग का एक मोन्टाज निकाल दिया तूने ये रिवील करके यहाँ पर, क्योंकि मैं
Oh,
वो
shit.
कर रहा हूँ. जुदी उधर हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स कैफे में बैठे, सडनली आवाज आता है, ए तुम लोग कुछ तो हुआ. तो अगर इंडिया बैटिंग कर रही है तो 6 गया है, अगर इंडिया बॉलिंग करे मतलब विकेट गया है. इंस्टेंटली कैमरा रेडी गाइस, वी नीड अ विकेट गाइस, और विकेट. वैसे हो रहा था. तो बेसिकली हम लोग जब भी इनका साउथ अफ्रीका इनिंग चालू है, 6 overs 54, ठीक है, मिलर क्लासन खेल रहे हैं, तो हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि यार है टफ. वी आर नॉट आउट ऑफ द गेम, बट वी आर, इट्स नॉट फुल्ली आवर्स येट, बिकॉज वो जानवर है उधर अभी तक क्लासन.
Hmm.
और हमने दबाया है बर्गर विंग्स दबाया, ठीक है. तो मेरे को आ रहा है नंबर 2. तो मैं बोला एक्सक्यूज मी, मैं जाके आता हूँ. तो उठ के गया हूं मैं. नाउ द टॉयलेट दैट आई मीन हैज नो नेटवर्क. मतलब ना वाईफाई ना 5G, कुछ ब्लैंक. मतलब उधर अगर मैं मर गया तो कोई आ ही नहीं पाएगा कि अरे वरुण का है, पता नहीं उसका फोन नहीं लग रहा है, ठीक है. तो मैं किया अपना सब सीन करके बाहर आया हूं, तो मेरा को एंकर है उधर अर्जुन, वो ऐसे मुझे देख रहा है, गए ब्रो. मैं देखूं मैं क्या हुआ, उधर खत्म सीन. तो मैं बोला क्या खत्म सीन, उसने बोला तू देख रहा नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं. फिर मैंने फोन निकाला, फिर वाईफाई कनेक्ट हुआ, फिर देखा उस पे मैच, तो 30 in 30.
30.
जस्ट क्या है, व्हेन आई लेफ्ट इट वाज, मैं इतना खतरनाक नंबर 2 किया है कि टाइम डायलेशन हो गया है मेरे को, कि पता नहीं क्या है.
तूने आगा सबने आग दिया.
मैंने आगा, उधर इंडिया के साउथ अफ्रीका के रन बढ़ गए. फिर मालूम पड़ा कि अक्सर को 24 मारा है. बट 30 in 30, देन यू आर सडनली रिमाइंडेड ऑफ बीइंग इन द 90s, right?
Oh no,
30 in
yeah.
30 means yeah, we are done now, right? Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
even though the current team that we are supporting and the way these boys are going, we are completely opposite. But वो वाला एक 90s क्रिकेट फैन माइंडसेट है कि नहीं यार 30 और 30 ये लोग मार देंगे, अभी 2 ओवर में खत्म, ये वो. एंड
हाँ, वो टुक टुक करके जीत जाएंगे. हाँ.
everything. But भाई उसके बाद those 5 overs for me as an
Oh.
Indian fan to suddenly see our bowling, our batting was always great. We had good bowlers, or it's not like we've not had good bowlers, but this formidable unit की भाई इन लोग आएंगे ना, ये 30 बॉल में मैच 30 रन भी नहीं देने वाले. And oh bro, I
There
can't
was
like
this.
I'm
was
The
this-
saying
bowling
that-
this time has
Can I-
been
can
on
I-
another level throughout the tournament. The
There's one
bowling's been something else.
There's one stat, okay,
Hmm.
which was that Jasprit Bumrah throughout the World Cup has averaged 4 point something.
4.17.
4.17. Other wait, your mind's not blown yet. 4.17 across 29 overs that he has bowled in the World Cup. Okay. 4.17 in 29 overs is great for 90s cricket in the fucking 50 over format.
50 over format.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the 50 over format, 4.17 you will take saying, हाँ दे चलेगा, मैं नहीं बोल कर रहा मेरा ओवर, मैं ले लेगा. He has done it in 2024 in the T20 format. That's unreal in terms of its stats, right? It's super. And what was
आदमी को लेके
beautiful,
ना बबल रैप में ऐसे रैप कर देना चाहिए. जैसे मैच हो गया ना, उसको
हाँ.
इमीडिएटली बबल रैप में रैप करो,
क्रायो फ्रीज में रखो उसको,
क्रायो स्लीप में डाल के, ठीक है.
ऐसे
कुछ नहीं हो सकता
ऐसे उसको क्रायो फ्रीज में ऐसे ही डाल के रखो.
प्लीज कर दो. और ऐसे वर्ल्ड कप के एक हफ्ते पहले
guys,
निकालो,
idea
उसको
मत
पूरा
दो,
डिफ्रॉस्ट करो और
idea मत दो,
उसको डालो.
कर लेगा.
मम्मीफाई कर दो,
Can I-
जैसे भी, उसको कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए.
That's a great Voltas commercial. If anybody
just say-
wants to
the other thing is, I was, like I said, like I was reading the match, right? And it's another experience because it's just like you're not,
Was
it's
reading the
different.
match is the greatest expression ever.
No,
I was
Baba.
reading the match.
I was reading it, right? So when Bumrah bowls the 18th, the person who's typing, typing the commentary at Cricket Info
All
has
caps.
said, what will be great is Bumrah 2 runs, 1 wicket in this over will be great. And the 18th over at the end was 2 runs and 1 wicket. And I was like, 1 second, you just now say Arshdeep 4 runs, no wickets. It's okay. Just make it happen. And I've gone back to the time where when you didn't have the access to the television and you only found out from noise, like from the edit bay or from, just a screen or radio or something, and you have to imagine the match. That's what's happened because it'll just say and wicket. Then about 90 seconds later, it shows exactly what's happened. He's pulled the ball over. I mean, he's gone over long off, and Sky has done this and all that. But watching it, of course, beats that. But
Watching it is 30 balls now. You can watch again all 30 balls.
I came back.
Not
I came
like
back and
highlights.
watched it.
Like, watch.
I came back and
all
watched again. I
It
came back and
is-
watched it.
Yeah.
I
Like,
came
how
back
is
and
it-
watched.
How was it watching the game in that tense moment when you knew we are going to win? Like, how was that as an experience? Because now you're not really worried.
Because
that
now,
level.
no, now I'm watching it as if I was in that moment, what would have happened to me? तो मैं ये देखते देखते भी नाखून काटा है. जैसे JJWS का last cycle race अभी भी देख के मैं नाखून काटता है वैसा. So I
One
was like,
second.
what
Firstly,
a great decision.
one thing that I feel like because of the way the match ended and how we bowled those last 30 balls, right? I feel like one thing that not enough has been spoken about is that decision of moving Akshar up. And
Yeah.
who took that decision? What was that
Rohit.
innings?
No, but they
I
did the
wish he
same
had hit
thing.
a 50.
और वो आउट भी कैसे हुआ? वो उसकी गलती नहीं थी. उसने थोड़ा हक दिया. It was like a luck मिल गया.
Yeah.
मार दिया, लग गया और ये थोड़ा ऐसे टहल रहा है. Bro, but they did the same thing in the Pakistan game. That's the
They
beauty
had.
about this team, where you suddenly have flexibility till number 9. कि हाँ चल इसको आज ऊपर डाल दे, चल उसको नीचे कर देते, को मालूम है सब खेलेंगे. Like even the person who's probably performed the least in this World Cup for us has been Jadeja, but he's still Jadeja. Right? It's not कि अरे कोई टाइम पास उसको मिला नहीं. जडेजा है वो. उसको नहीं करने का मौका मिला, नहीं लिया विकेट, नहीं बनाए रन या नहीं किया कुछ फील्डिंग में क्रेजी, but it's still a Jadeja who's not done it, which means that it's before it comes to the Pakistan.
And what's really weird is watching myself bowl. Can I tell you why? Because Kuldeep.
Yadav.
Because I've watched the England the semi-final, the England match in a hotel ka lobby. But the problem is I'm in Scotland and I'm watching the match, right? So sure it's
वहाँ पे
Scotland,
गोरे
but I'm
लोग
still in the
गोरे
UK.
लोग तेरे को ऐसे कर रहे
हाँ,
स्क्रीन
और मैं ऐसे देख के और ऐसा मैं towards the end ऐसे बोल रहा है how's that और फिर वो अंपायर रिव्यू कर रहा है whatever the रिव्यू कर रहा है ये कर रहा है मैं बोल रहा है ये तो प्लम है क्या बोल रहा है यार तो मैं ये सब टीवी को बोल रहा है और सब all the people there are just looking at me and as a brown guy saying fuck you to England it's another feeling only.
अबे पर दे दिया ना इंग्लैंड को भी पूरा सबका चुन के बादला लिया है. 170 हम लोगों ने अपने को लास्ट वर्ल्ड कप में हराया था, नंगा करके वापस भेजा है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया
अफगानिस्तान ने हम लोग का बदला लिया है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से.
नहीं अपन ने भी तो कर दिया. अपन ने भी तो
हम लोग really had
it just became हाँ इनको हराने वाले. But you know like the crazy thing was that when you're watching like I was lucky enough to be there जब भी तेरे आजू बाजू कौन है सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है तेरे साथ? कैफ, इरफान पठान, भज्जी, श्रीसंत, उधर क्या है सिद्धू, ये सब लोग हैं and
World Cup winners.
people you've grown up watching and now you're getting to bloody celebrate with them. एक टाइम उन्होंने हम लोग को बुला दिया तो स्टार स्पोर्ट्स की फीड पे हम लोग स्टेज पे जाके फुल पावर चिल्ला रहे. मतलब इट वाज इसके पहले जितने भी वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल देखे अपन ने अपने पब्लिक दोस्त लोग के साथ फुल टाइट वाइट होके किधर बैठ के देखा है, लेकिन ये इन लोग के साथ देखना जस्ट मेड इट you know like that much more special. That I'm bantering with Mohammad Kaif. Like
no I have to go, but I just want one question, which is, can you all tell me what Bombay was like? Was it streets crowded like lost?
Yeah. People went insane on the streets. And also one dumb thing, and I found this out. London के एक tube station पे one बंदा tried to change the flag on top of the underground station to an Indian flag
Yeah, and fell down.
fell.
Oh,
Yeah, he's fine. He stood up immediately and police उसको लेके गई. But why इतना क्यों जज्बाती होके take risks with your
No, no,
life?
but
Like celebrate
just-
happy.
I just wanted to know कि बॉम्बे में
I'll tell
traffic
you.
jams.
I'll tell you.
Yes.
वो आदमी
So-
बावा था आदर, तूने सरप्राइज रिवील किया ही रो रहा था, फिर उसने बोला नहीं मैं
That's
कर
why
देता हूँ।
Baba has to go to the hospital right now. Right now, that's why he has to leave the podcast.
नहीं, but usual you are Marine Drive was packed इधर बॉम्बे में, बैंड स्टैंड कार्टर, और रास्ते पे आ गए पब्लिक, फ्लैग वैग, टी शर्ट निकाल के फुल पावर ढोल. Bro, I saw some videos at the airport. Okay,
Airport video I saw.
People are watching on a small screen and suddenly out of nowhere airport पे आ गए ढोल वाले. And this is a
मेरे इधर
stark
भी.
contrast, because this is what I thought would happen on 19th of November, that oh, we would win. I had a
Yeah.
flight the same morning, so I go to the airport excitedly, and this video just totally like wiped off that
Washed away.
because I've never seen people more sad at an airport than on 19th of November. मतलब कोई भी ऐसा स्टैम्प मार रहा है, चल जा, सिक्योरिटी चेक ही नहीं कर रहा है.
Bro, I
This
remember
family
you.
pilot
You
plane नहीं
तू
चला.
लंदन आया था ना? तू लंदन आया था ना?
19
That-
November.
I remember this. I remember
flight
like
था.
Varun coming in such a bad mood to London.
क्योंकि मैं 10 मिनट इंडिया जीत गई लिख के आया हूँ, और फिर वो पूरा उल्टा हो गया. फिर ऐसे सब पहला शो पे एकदम सब सैड है ऐसे. एंड उसके कॉन्ट्रास्ट में डूड इट वाज नट्स. पब्लिक ग्रुप पे, तेरे फैमिली ग्रुप पे देख,
मैं आज एक रील देखा.
क्रिकेट ग्रुप है ना, उसमें लिटरली एवरी बॉल वाज 10D. यही चल रहा है कुछ. देयर इज नो वे टू डिस्क्राइब इट अदर देन give a gali and the last letter just write it 15 times just
Extended.
to what you are
There was
feeling.
there was a reel that I saw today, I think, and it just because today is Monday, so people are going to work or whatever. So I saw the reel today, and it's just this, and it's playing that the opening intro of "Chahe tum kuch na kaho," that or that. So it's just that, and there's this guy in an India jersey, and he's just ऐसा ट्रेन में उसको धक्का मिल रहा है, ठीक है, और वो स्माइल कर रहा है. फिर कट टू वो बस में से चढ़ रहा है, थोड़ा पानी पसीना टपक रहा है, वो खड़ा है, कोई छींटे मतलब गाड़ी का द स्प्लैश
बारिश में
puddle से, that's happening, and then this guy is walking, but he's got a smile on his face throughout, and he's just like, this is what it feels. You can't, nothing yes. And we're just in this just superb space, bro. I'm so happy. I just wanted to, like, I'm just so, like, you guys want to see happy, but this is me. Like, I'm just so happy with what is happening.
Full power. तेरे शक्ल पे स्माइल देखा था.
On that note,
चल बोल के मैं निकल रहा
On
हूँ.
that note, अच्छा नहीं, ठीक है, चल करते हैं. कितना टाइम और करेगा? 10-15 मिनट.
क्या जा रहा है? तेरे को ऐसे बोला हम लोग.
रुक हाँ.
जा रहा नहीं.
Hey, Thakur, the thing I wanted to ask you was,
बोलना.
so you're sitting in this room watching this match, a final World Cup match with people who won the World Cup, right? So like, what did they say? What was the feeling like for them to actually win it? Like, what does it feel like to be a player
But
winning a World Cup?
they were all crying, because when we are sitting there, that used to be a question to us, them, right? Ki, see, we are still fans. We are watching like we watched
Exactly.
15, 20 of these before. You have been in that place. You have been that person. You've been the one who's taking the victory lap. In Srisan's case, he was the one who took that catch that he has taken, has been replayed bajillion times on TV. It's like you just get sort of etched in history, right? So they're like, dude, I'm telling you, this feeling that they won't be able to express it. Like, when people come post the show, कि अरे आपको कैसा लगता है? You can't put it into words, especially when the wait has been that long. And
dude, Siraj, when that moment when Siraj को पूछ रहे थे क्या हुआ, Siraj can't talk anymore. He's like, I don't know what to. He was overwhelmed to a level where he can't even explain.
Because
but you can't, nah. What do you
for this team, to 2015 semi-final World Cup, 2019 semi-final World Cup, धोनी वाला run out, 2023 final match in India, जीत सकते थे, हार गए. You know what I mean? To 2022 World Cup pakad, WTC pakad, you knew that this team is so good.
Why isn't it crossing the line?
Why? They can deserve. They have to get it. So, and it was so this that not only the cricketers, all of us there, एक खुद का personal ये होता है ना कि नहीं भाई, this is a victory for us, even though it's those 11 players who made it happen for you. But I think for that moment, everybody had forgotten everything, any issue, sadness, sorrow, or anything that you had forgotten. And they were saying the same thing, that what we are feeling right now, those guys there are feeling it 10x, because they've also gone in with that weight of pressure. They've also gone in with the trolling कि अरे ये एज में अपनी टीम बड़ी है, इनको क्यों लिया, अरे इसको क्यों किया, अरे ये थोड़ी कोई स्क्वाड है, इसको लेना चाहिए था, इसको लेना चाहिए था, सिलेक्शन खराब. You, because people always have that, right? Opinion सबका है तो सबको देना है. And then to see them overcome all of that, remain unbeaten, fucking never done before in World Cup history, unbeaten, jeetna. And I think what makes this World Cup even more special is for all of us, right? People our age, we gave our teens and early 20s to Sachin. Then we gave your late 20s and your 30s to Virat and Rohit, right? And it's like a culmination of it. All your heroes, guys who've carried Indian cricket on your shoulders, each coming into this World Cup and each having their own arc. That
Bro,
I was
Rahul
just going to say
Dravid.
that.
they've managed to
Rahul,
complete.
Last match. Yeah.
no, Rahul Dravid. I just want to say one thing about that, and I put this on my story. I was so emotional. I've put 5-6 stories, guys. I was that emotional. I've put Insta pe stories. I've never done it. I don't do it randomly, but anyway. So
I've never done
Dravid. No, what I meant is, you know what I'm saying. So anyway, this Dravid thing, right? The fact that he has done so much for Indian cricket, right from the National Cricket Academy to under 19 to then becoming India coach. It's and to have patiently suffered through a lot of it himself without a World Cup. It's truly something. So what Thakur you're saying, I think that closing of the loop, that redemption. For its Anushka Sharma on her post had written this one line saying, "Why is Daddy crying?" But our kid asked, "Why is Daddy crying?" And I hope someone was there to hug him. And she ended it by saying, "Yes, they were hugged by 1.5 billion people." That to me, मैं वापस रोएगा. इतना true है ना वो statement जो अनुष्का ने लिखा था. I think, yeah, I mean, it's truly. It's something else only, this victory. It's
look at all the boys, not just the 11 ka team, right? Individually, Rohit, one of the greatest in the game, selfless. If you think of a selfless player, nobody else comes to mind before Rohit Sharma does. Jatin Sapru made a really nice comment, is that Rohit Sharma has made stardom accessible or very relatable. You know what I mean? Where
he's democratized.
He's your country's captain. He is one of the best players to have played the game. बट जब भी तू उसका बात करने का स्टाइल देखेगा तो लगता है तेरा दोस्त है भाई, अपन गली क्रिकेट साथ में खेले, वैसा है. And he's
keeps sending me these reels of Rohit Sharma's interviews. He keeps sending. No, not just the stump mic, even just him talking in the press conference, right? Like, you know, they asked him about one statue that was put up in Wankhede. Hey, statue है.
अभी वर्ल्ड कप के बाद प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उसको पूछा, ठीक है, उसने बोला मैं क्या बताऊं, मतलब ये लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन अपने को मालूम नहीं कि वो लिखा हुआ है, क्योंकि फिर मालूम होता तो अपन मैच में ऐसे आते ना कि हाँ चल लिखा है. तो वही तो है ना कि मालूम नहीं था और फिर हो गया. And you're seeing your country's captain talk like that, like भाई ये अपना आदमी है भाई. It's like Jagguda vibe, but
like that, I was just going to bring that up.
Jagguda vibe, but with a great pull shot. You know what I mean?
No, and I'm saying the thing about again, like you're saying, correct, selfless and the redemption on this. In fact, I was listening to one of his press interviews before the England game and then before the final. And उसका एक ही point था ठाकुर जो तू initially बोल रहा था कि this team, apart from the fact that we bat up to number 9, who the fuck thought that we would bat up to number 9 and then have 5 unbelievable bowlers to come and do
3 great all-rounders in these bowlers.
So Akshar Patel needs to be promoted permanently into the top order.
Yeah.
बापू ने किल किया है, एक तो बच गया, उसको bowlers ने बचा दिया फाइनल में, तो उसकी 24 की भारी पड़ती. But look at him. You know, he's that guy, आया सुमड़ी में करके चले गया, हर मैच में ये fucking perform.
So I'll just say this about like this fact that this team is, it's not just a team of great quality and great flexibility and all of that people, but each of them have really gone through stuff. Whether it was Hardik, whether it was Rishabh Pant, whether it was Arshdeep. You remember when that whole Khalistan
Match.
controversy and he was called names and all of that, right? So they've all gone through their whole thing. Virat through the tournament, and Rohit so sweetly saying that he's saving it for the final.
सब
And
लोग वही
then
बोल रहे थे, सब लोग वही थे.
so he
Because you
that
can't have a World Cup without at least one
one Virat
Virat
golden
Kohli
great
day,
innings.
and
golden
Yeah,
man.
come at the hour, come at the man, bhai.
You
But
know what
the
I
thing
also liked
about
about
this is,
the Virat thing. Sorry, just to talk about that. Ki the fact that like later in his interview, they asked him how did like this innings, like how did this happen? He's like, I knew that this was my last T20 World Cup, and I just wanted to give it everything, and like it
Yeah.
just helped me focus. And I was like, that's
No,
I
And
know
bang
that
on.
clarity,
to
and
say
then
that
he
he
went
would have,
and
this would have been the last match whether I played or not. So
Hmm.
if
Whether
you're
we
saying
won or
that,
not.
yeah,
Won
whether
or
we
whether
won
we
or
won or
not,
not.
yeah.
The other thing is in this selfless conversation, but so Virat said that and he did it. I think he sort of did it in that exact Rohit way also. So he's gone and given the cup to Rohit, and then they've taken the picture, and he's like, so this one asked him. I think Sapru asked him, how was you went and gave it to him, this, that, and the other. Why, how did that feel? The two of India's greats. He's like, अरे जब भी हम लोग राउंड ले रहे हैं वो रोहित पीछे ही खड़ा है पीछे ही चल रहा है तो मेरे को लगा अबे तू भी पकड़ थोड़ा ट्रॉफी so he's given him the trophy but the only point is it wasn't just a team of talent and team of the flexibility and all of that but Rohit in both his interviews very interestingly kept saying we want to be a thinking team, we don't want to be a team that is not reacting to the conditions. In fact, he said the word conditions so many times I was in my head saying say conditions one more time it was that because he was like we want to react to this, we want to be able to be flexible because everybody spoke about the fact that rain is going to come in, this is going to happen, that is going to happen, right? And he was like no, we just want to make sure that we are reacting and we have the thing and we need to stay calm, we need to stay calm, we need to stay calm, and that calmness has really helped. In fact, Nasir Hussain made a comment saying that Rohit as a captain is a iron fist in a velvet glove. And it's such a interesting way to capture Rohit's
That's a
captaincy.
great phrase. That's a
Yeah.
great phrase.
रोहित शर्मा जो है वो लोखंड का.
So
Lokhand
he's an
ka-
iron fist in a velvet glove, and Kautuk, now that you appreciate it, it's the perfect way to encapsulate his captaincy, right?
Yeah, for
Like on
sure.
how he does it, because he says everybody knows the roles, and of course there are things, but on the field we are going to trust people. We are going to trust a bowler to bowl his ball. We're going to trust a batsman to hit the reverse sweep if he wants to reverse sweep it. अगर out हुआ तो out हुआ, लेकिन क्योंकि वो situation में वो जानता है कि उसको क्या करना है.
So, one second, Bawa, one
I
of the
think that has really
storylines,
changed.
one of the storylines of this match and this whole tournament and everything leading up to it, right? Starts with IPL, starts with Mumbai Indians and the whole Hardik versus Rohit, that mega media frenzy and the meme frenzy and everything, right? Hardik comes into it with all of that stuff. Now, in this match, right, all of those narratives start falling apart as you start seeing in those last overs how Rohit and Hardik have worked together, how much trust they've had in each other, how much respect they've had for each other. Like for him to make those moves and to line up those bowlers and then have Hardik bowl that last over. I mean, that's something. Like if you
No, you
if you
can't
wrote a
script
story,
this. You
if
can't
you wrote a
Yeah.
story, this is Act 3 final climax.
proper act three,
if
bro.
this was some random script, you're just like, ये catch ऐसे कैसे पकड़ूंगा मैं? It's just guy going. This is not right. ये script कौन लिखा है?
इसके लिए टॉम क्रूज को बुलाना पड़ेगा.
No, but that's so
No, but-
true, dude. Like if you look at this guy, matlab, fucking hats off, because if there's one thing we as a country, our cricket team has always lacked or not had enough of, has been a quality fast bowling all-rounder. And all-rounder as in like after Kapil Dev, the level which he was at, you had Irfan to a certain extent,
You had Irfan, you had Robin Singh beach mein.
but they still like Robin Singh for the time, yes. Irfan for his time, yes.
Yeah,
Irfan
yeah.
थोड़ा batsman बाद में बना, he could hit वैसे. But when you
Yeah,
look at Hardik, He's a guy you can give the new ball to. He can come and bowl in later. He can bowl you in the death. He can bowl you that last crucial over. Batting mein, he can bat at 4. He can bat at 5. He can come as a
You
finisher.
know who he's akin to? Lance Klusner. He's
Yeah.
that Lance Klusner vibe for
Ah.
what
Bro,
we
because
needed
you
at that
see
point.
that balance the minute you're writing your team, and suddenly at number 5 or 6 you write a Hardik or a player like Hardik in any other team, तो suddenly with अरे यार चल है बंदा एक है पोजीशन वही है लेकिन that flexibility that it gives you with bowling and batting plus captaincy material है तेरा वाइस कैप्टन है अभी T20 का कैप्टन वो बन जाएगा it just adds so much and the mental fortitude I think that you need to have as a human being to be abused right, left, and center, booed, called the dirtiest of like names. Harpik Pandya बोल रहे थे वो लोग इतना मतलब it was like that and suddenly you're like, but this for a guy
No, bro,
who's
he
going
was
to
booed
wear
at
your
he was
country's
booed
jersey
at
and play for you.
Wankhede. He was
Exactly.
booed
Yeah,
at
yeah.
Wankhede. You know
You
what
know
I'm
what I
saying?
mean?
Like as India, as Mumbai Indians captain.
To go through
And
that sort of toxicity and come into the World Cup and just respond with
With
your
performance.
fucking performance. तू bowling किया है जब batting चाहिए तभी batting किया है. You've been an able subordinate to your captain. You give that this and bro मतलब उसके लिए ना
hats
फिर
off.
ये जो था ना उसका ये it's just like भाई ये जो उसका हीरो आर्क बना है ना it has been amazing.
Hmm.
No,
And
and I
you
think
know-
that picture that he took, it fucking shuts people like me up also because I was also very angry. And I was
गाली
also
नहीं दिया था भाई वो मैं तो
नहीं, no, it was not about gali. It was I was very angry. मैं गाली
We
किधर
told
दिया?
you,
As
but
a
we
Rohit
told you
fan,
not
na?
to do that. Na, we had all told you not to do that, and you still
So
insisted on being angry.
yes, I insisted. But the point is that, and I even think, but it's not just that. It's also you could see that pressure in that last over, right?
Hmm.
Oh
There
my
was a
God.
moment after he took the wicket, you could see him just talking to himself and then just because I saw the last over and I saw it from the perspective of we having won and having seen Hardik at that point go, you could tell that okay, I need to get this ball.
You didn't see the part where he went and made out with Surya Kumar after. Oh, that was during the break. जैसे पप्पी दे रहा भाई थैंक यू तूने तो बचा लेकिन बॉल गंदा था वो फुल टॉस डाला वो बॉल गंदा था अगर थोड़ा कनेक्ट होता वो छक्का था वो टाइम पे लेकिन
Correct.
but see again your guys come to your aid each and every person मतलब we are fielding by the way just off this but our fielding has been at par with like how we used to look at Australians अरे Australian हर जगह जाके पकड़ रहे हैं अक्सर का कैच वन हैंडेड मिच मार्स को लेने वाला ये वाला कैच सिराज ने पकड़ा हुआ कैच वी आर फील्डिंग लाइक ऑस्ट्रेलियंस फ्रॉम द 90s जो अपने वो होता था कि
Yeah.
shit यार,
Dude, the other thing about this tournament, throughout all the games, right? It's how everybody picked their moment to do something. You know what I mean? Like
yeah.
everyone has picked one match and won this thing. Like everyone's come good at different times.
Except Bumrah.
You had a different man
Except
of the match
Bumrah.
for every
Yeah.
game except Bumrah who got 2. Everybody else, it was a different player who got a man of the match. That's
I really like, there was one tweet that someone had put out. I forget who it is, but it was a great tweet. It was like, this reminds me of those Australian teams in the way that randomly in some match, some guy will decide कि आज ये मेरा match है.
Destroy.
हाँ.
Just like, it was like they pick a straw. Like, chal,
Yeah.
number 7, तू कर.
आज तेरा turn. हाँ.
That's Michael Bevins.
Just randomly, one random guy will just decide today is my day. So it was like it was evenly distributed across the tournament. Like सबका एक moment है.
Correct.
So
और bro, what a swan
Wild.
song. कि कोहली का थोड़ा अगर
Yeah.
बात करें, that guy after, I mean, even at his worst phase, when they used to show his numbers, he was still in the top 3 or 4 in his worst phase.
Bro, in his worst phase, you know what his criticism was? Virat doesn't have a century for 1 year.
हाँ, मतलब he was in his
His
worst,
worst phases.
in his own
worst phase
standard.
was उसका करेक्ट कि ये साल उसने सेंचुरी नहीं मारा ये वर्स्ट फेज था उसका सो
नहीं, but इसमें भी वर्ल्ड कप में पहले जितने भी मैचेस टिल द फाइनल ही वाजंट कमिंग गुड राइट सो यू
No.
स्टिल दोस थोड़ा डिट्रैक्टर्स कि अरे अभी क्या होगा अरे ये तो कुछ नहीं किया अरे ये
You
तो
know
कुछ नहीं किया.
what was that is because if he's just gotten out and the first ad you see is Virat Kohli, that also I think triggers a lot of people. It's like right after he got out, the ad comes up and it's just Virat's face over and over again. So that's insane pressure. It's like I have to do this in the last match.
But you come good. And by the way, here's another thing. God forbid we'd lost the game. एक
तो public
महीना तेरा उसके पीछे एनालिसिस होता कि क्या विराट की स्ट्राइक रेट बहुत स्लो थी क्योंकि he played at
37 balls, no boundary.
Yeah,
What
that
happened?
37 balls
Yeah.
without boundary was said so many times. It was like these guys एक काला जबान लेके जो बैठे हैं जो
No,
पब्लिक
no,
के
but
बोल
also
रहे हैं.
people don't understand that that's needed, na. It's not 37 balls without a run. So
Exactly. No, the thing is,
Yeah, they had to calm down. He had
no,
to
they
stay
go
on
with
strike.
absolute. They go with absolute averages. So they're like, oh, if in T20 you played 58 balls, you need to have at least 160 strike rate. मैं बोला भाई तू सिचुएशन तो देख सामने तेरे 3 मेन बैट्समैन गए हैं. अक्सर आया ठीक है. अक्सर is able to whack because he can see a Kohli at the other end कि नहीं
Yeah.
है भाई अपना है कोई तो मैं लेता हूँ इनिशिएटिव. सब
And
लोग
then वो भी है ना.
110 पे ऑल आउट हो जाते फिर.
I'd written the
222 के
same
strike
thing.
rate पे वो चल रहा था सारा Klaasen. That was the problem ना.
कि while we've matured into an excellent bowling and fielding unit, I'm glad that we haven't forgotten our roots of having a swift top order collapse, forcing a batting legend to steady the innings and see us through. It reminded me so much of Sachin
God.
just
Yeah,
being
yeah.
there.
Never
Just
stop.
being there.
But the thing is, like, wasn't that like more enjoyable to watch than a straight
Yeah.
one-sided final either way? That it went down to the wire.
No, I think it was,
That's my
for me, it was
biggest
too
debate.
much heart attack.
Yeah, people are like, नहीं bro, one-sided चाहिए खत्म हो जाए. I said, क्यों? Final game है. Finally लग रहा है World Cup
That
देख
is
रहे हैं.
one-sided is Kautuk. This is Kautuk all the way. I have seen
No,
Kautuk.
no.
Going this-
One-sided chahiye. I'm sorry, I agree with you, Adar, because in that Sri Lanka game where we have annihilated them, Kautuk is like,
Yeah.
अरे 6 बॉल में 6 विकेट चाहिए, ये सब 1 run dot ball ये सब
When
नहीं चाहिए.
Real Madrid, when Madrid is playing, तभी देखना कौतुक को, तब क्या हालत होती है.
No,
कौतुक
that
की.
time he's shitting. No, that time he's
Yeah,
shitting. But
So
when
then he wants it one-sided, full
when
one-sided.
we're annihilating, it's different. But I think this World Cup, just so that we could have had peace of mind and I could have watched the play and all.
No. But
we should have.
by the way, okay, let's also talk about for a second about South Africa, right?
Hmm.
Like
They are every sports fan second favorite team. तू नोटिस करेगा ना तो इंडिया हार गई होती वर्ल्ड कप में सपोज अपन निकल गए सुपर 8 में देन यू आस्क
किसको
एनीबॉडी
जीतना है?
किसको जीतना है तू साउथ अफ्रीका बोलेगा तू नहीं बोलेगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया
ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो
इंग्लैंड
चांस ही नहीं.
पाकिस्तान
Thakur is because they're relatable.
हाँ.
तुम लोग भी ऐसा unpredictable, तुम लोग भी थोड़ा ऐसा
Bro, I'm sorry.
But they had a great tournament. They had a
बुरा
great
भी
Really
नहीं.
sorry, but there was this
हाँ.
one great joke, one great tweet. Again, I don't remember who shared it or who did it, but I saw it on Instagram. It said Australia से बदला लिया, England से बदला लिया, something. South Africa ने कुछ किया है हम लोग के साथ कि बदला लेने लायक ऐसा कुछ तो था किसी ने लिखा है. तो एक बंदे ने लिखा है गांधी जी को ट्रेन से निकाला था. So, it was so well. It was so like कुछ तो चाहिए ना बदला जीतने
कुछ
के लिए.
ढूंढना पड़ेगा. हाँ, क्या बदला लिया? ये बदला वाला टूर्नामेंट था पूरा.
ये अक्सर का वही होगा ना अक्सर का पेट नेम बापू है तो फिर वो उसने इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ बाप किया तो एक नोट के ऊपर अक्षर पटेल का
बापू.
अक्षर पटेल दांडी मार्च में अक्षर पटेल
Bro, yeah.
इंग्लैंड को हरा के साउथ अफ्रीका के सामने आए अक्षर पटेल वापस. But I feel bad for that dude. Like 7 or 8 semi-finals since 1992. Always every World Cup
almost.
win, they are
Yeah.
most people's top 4 because of the sheer quality of their
But
players.
अभी वो लोग जीतेगा.
हाँ?
अभी वो लोग अगला वर्ल्ड कप
Yeah,
जीतेगा because you have to lose a final to win a final.
हाँ उनको मालूम ही नहीं था कि फाइनल में आए तो करना क्या होता है. उन लोग हमेशा सेमीफाइनल में निकल गए तो फाइनल का प्रिपरेशन ही नहीं किया है. क्या होता है भाई फाइनल में? अरे भाई प्रेशर
अरे नहीं आप डंडी पे बैठो. अरे नहीं डंडी पे नहीं. अरे गलत
Dude,
प्रिपेयर किया वो लोग.
that Klaasen innings, oh my God, like,
Oh.
while it was happening, it was one of the saddest things to watch, right? In that period that he was on the field, it was you just felt like if this guy didn't get out, it's over, right? I was watching it with my dad. Both of us are sad. Both of us are
Yeah.
like,
What else will you feel, man? It's just it's every hit was making you feel like a little
bro,
die
and
inside.
he's and the thing is they kept reiterating कि he's amazing with spin. वो तो spinner को तो पछाड़ देता है, spin तो डालो ही मत. And then back to back Kuldeep is coming, Akshar is coming.
And both had a very off day, that day.
Yeah. I was feeling a little weak. My left arm was not sort
हाँ,
of.
you made me lose Dream 11 में कुलदीप को वाइस कैप्टन बनाया था अपने Dream 11 में
Sorry.
और 4
वो
ओवर
सेमीफाइनल में मैं करके दिया ना. मैं
Bro,
But was
सेमीफाइनल
there
में
a
कर.
solution? Everybody screaming at the screen going Bumrah ko pehle lao, but then you are exhausting Bumrah's
No.
overs. So what
No.
if they had
What
come in
great
the end?
captaincy, please, यार.
No,
There's
no,
1.5 billion opinions. No, just get over it.
मैं तेरे को एक चीज बोलता हूँ, रोहित को ना हमेशा इंटरव्यू में पूछा दैट व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ गेम्स डू यू लाइक कैप्टनिंग इन, राइट? डू यू वांट लाइक दोस हाई स्कोरिंग दिस और लो स्कोरिंग थ्रिलर्स? एंड रोहित हैज ऑलवेज सेड लो स्कोरिंग थ्रिलर्स बिकॉज इफ यू वॉच एनी ऑफ द गेम्स दैट ही हैज वन, एक तो रोहित फाइनल्स में जब आता है ना कोई भी टीम के लिए, अपन हारते नहीं है, एक बार हारे, सिर्फ एक बार हारे 2012 2014 वाले इसमें, उसके अलावा
19 हारा ना.
नहीं
19
फाइनल,
November.
फाइनल नॉट सेमीज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फाइनल
Final only ना 19
हाँ,
November.
Final 20 November 19.
हाँ 23 एग्जैक्टली, हाँ
हाँ।
वो वाला नहीं, उसके पहले आईपीएल की बात कर रहा था मैं, आईपीएल की।
हाँ.
तो तो उसके विक्ट्रीज देख, देयर ऑलवेज व्हेन मुंबई 140 बनाए और सामने वाली टीम को जस्ट खोल दिया, या वैसे वाले लो स्कोरिंग, तो ये सॉर्ट ऑफ रेवल्स इन दैट आई फील। तो ये जब 30 ऑफ 30 हुआ था ना,
Great.
ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ये रोहित का गेम है, वो करेगा बराबर अपना शिफ्ट, बिकॉज एक तेरे पास बुमराह जो है चीट कोड, साहब अभी उसको चीट कोड बुला रहे हैं बाय द वे, इवन
Oh my
इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स आर कॉलिंग हिम चीट कोड बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट अनहर्ड ऑफ। सो
He's unplayable. He's unplayable.
So in a 2020 game, India is batting 20 overs, but the opponent वाला team is batting 16 overs. Because वो जो बुमराह का 4 ओवर है,
एक second.
उसमें
You
वो
know something
कंफ्यूज
else?
आदमी 8
उसको
रन
बस निकालो, कैसे
नहीं।
वो 4 ओवर हटाओ।
1 second. You know, Baba was saying na his average was 4. You know why his average was 4? Because it's an inside edge that has gone for a 4. It is
yeah.
one like one edge that has gone for a. यही है.
It's one mistimed shot. Someone's come out,
Mistimed
stepped out, and
shot,
managed to connect.
leg by. It's not
वो
like
बुमराह
someone
पे-
has played him.
Like, I think we should look at like videos of people like who've hit Bumrah for a 4. Even the batsman is shocked. अरे ये कैसा लग गया? It's just the
Bro,
shock on the batsman's face.
that ball.
You know
where,
which, by the way, sorry,
Bumrah-
fun fact, you know which country where India played against, which was the country that he went for most runs against?
USA.
Yes. So it's the USA ने उसको 4 ओवर में 25 मारा है।
No, but that is probably that you know he's so good that when you try to play him, if you're an average
but
batsman, you're
yeah.
edging it. You're doing all
Yeah.
of that, right? Because that ball where he's so again the first wicket which Bumrah took in the final on Crick Info, it came that is perhaps the best ball ever bowled in a final. You know
Oh,
the
bro. ऐसा आ गया यार।
तो मैं सिर्फ इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ कि ये क्या बॉल है जो उसने बॉल किया है, which is the best ball in a final ever. What is this
तेरे
ball?
दिमाग में यॉर्कर आया होगा पहले।
नहीं, I don't know because it was caught behind. No, so it's
No,
not
it was
Yorker.
bold.
It was bold.
No,
Bold,
he
bold.
played forward and then missed and something happened. No,
वीजा एंड्रिक्स को उसने बोल्ड किया,
Hmm.
आया टप्पा और ऐसे हल्के से निकल गई बाहर, तो स्क्वायर अप हो
through
गया।
his defense.
हाँ,
Off stump गया ना उसका.
ऑस्टन गया, ऑस्टन।
I wanted to ask, एक क्लासन का जो लिया था पांड्या ने विकेट, did he bait him or whose
नहीं,
fault was
गंदा
it?
बॉल
Did he
था.
was a
bait
bad
him?
बॉल गंदा.
That was
Bad shot,
बॉल
गंदा
नहीं,
ball.
He
बॉल
reached
का,
out for the shot. He reached out. हाँ.
बट बॉल कटर
बॉल
डाला,
गंदा था.
तो
बॉल
दिमाग
गंदा
था।
था and I think he went for the shot but he missed
It was a lazy shot, भी उसके पहले जस्ट ब्रेक हुआ। तो जो तेरा
हाँ.
मोमेंटम चल रहा है, वो तेरा मोमेंटम, एंड एज इज द केस दैट ऑलवेज हैपेंस व्हेन यू आर इन अ गुड फ्लो, अगर तेरे को एक पैसे का कुछ ब्रेक आ
क्या
जाता है,
सुनील गावस्कर क्या कर रहा है तू?
तो वही हुआ है भाई,
सुनील गावस्कर स्ट्रेटजी.
वही हुआ है।
No,
Yes,
I think he was
Bro,
like
break हुआ,
पांड्या को
momentum
मार
क्या
दो.
होता है, ऐसे ये वाला गंदा आउटसाइड ऑफ द वाला हल्के में
Yeah.
लिया उसने, और वो
I
गया।
thought
one of my-
Pandya baited him. I thought Pandya baited him into trying to reach out for the shot.
One of my favorite wickets was the Quinton de Kock one. जिधर क्विंटन डिकॉक ने पहले 6 या 4 मारा है, ठीक है, वो
उधर ही।
Same
And
जगह
then-
पे.
और
हाँ.
फिर मेरे को ही भेजा है ना वहां पे.
हाँ, and then they just went like, okay, we should plug that gap, I feel.
Guys, मैं माँ कसम बोल रहा हूँ, माँ कसम। हम लोग मैच के पहले मैं बात कर रहा हूँ श्रीसंत से, तो श्रीसंत वो सेइंग वी वर जस्ट गेसिंग हाउ वी आर गोना गेट द बैट्समैन आउट। तो श्रीसंत ने बोला कि डेकॉक को आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप होगा, ही विल फ्लैश एट इट, तो तेरा पॉइंट या इधर जाने का चांस है ये। तो मैं बोला डोंट यू थिंक कि थोड़ा उसको ये करा के डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग या लॉन्ग ऑन पे उसको, बिकॉज ही प्लेज दैट शॉट वेल, just like Sky एक पीछे वाला मारते रहता है ना, does it with
और
every
रोहित का
team.
पुल, yeah.
And that's his most scoring shot. But if there is a way to get him out, it's also that. Just how Rabada got him out. तो मैंने माँ कसम बोला था मैच चालू होने के पहले कि अगर उसको वो पुल या उसका जो लेग वाला शॉट है उस पे बेट करके पीछे रखे तो माँ कसम, और वैसे ही आउट हुआ है भाई.
Bro, and the thing about
माँ
it is,
कसम.
literally again on Trick Info, it came as, did he not see the fielder?
Yeah.
So again, I'm like, 1 minute, yaar, what is happening? Then the thing has opened up and it says, previous ball he has hit for a 4. And then Kuldeep has just stepped back and then wicket has fallen and all that. So I was like, did he not see the fielder का मतलब क्या होता है?
By the way, you know,
So-
एक अनसंग जो अपन बात नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन वो सुमड़ी में आके लास्ट T20 वर्ल्ड कप में हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर, एशिया कप में हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर, ये एडिशन में वर्ल्ड कप के हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर, एंड दैट इज अर्शदीप.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Bummrah is
Consistent.
Bummrah, 100% great, but Bummrah also can't do everything alone. You need fucking support.
चार ही तो ओवर है.
हाँ, चार ही ना, बुमराह थोड़ी बेंच लगा के 20 ओवर. अर्शदीप getting those wickets, lefty, you know, कुछ अलग ही है. ऐसे कि आ गया चुपचाप अपना परफॉर्मेंस करके ले गया. Like these are like golden fucking moments यार, कि you don't come in the limelight, but you've actually come and outperformed. You've been that good fold to a Bumrah, which
Yeah.
really levels everything.
Yeah, Arshdeep saved us in the USA match when the shit was going wrong with Bumrah. Arshdeep was the man of the match and actually saved us.
उसने इनफैक्ट जब पाकिस्तान वाले गेम थे ना, अर्शदीप और सिराज, दे एडेड सम 15-20 रन्स इन द एंड. अपन 103 पे 9 या कुछ तो थे. फिर एक अर्शदीप ने एक छक्का मार दिया है, चौका मार दिया है, इसने मार दिया है, ऐसे कुछ तो हुआ था. एंड टू लिटरली तो वो देखेगा ना, वो रन अगर नहीं आते, व्हिच यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट अ बॉलर टू एक्चुअली गेट यू, वो रन नहीं आता तो अपने पहले गए थे, खत्म था अपन.
Bro, यही है ये टीम कुछ, I mean, we've become formidable. बस अभी ये टेस्ट वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप और ये 50 ओवर वर्ल्ड कप.
द्रविड ने वही बोला ना, द्रविड कोहली को बोल रहा है कि यू वन T20, यू वन 50 ओवर, तू आईपीएल नहीं जीता अभी तक बेचारा, बट एशिया कप सब जीत गया. अभी तेरा सिर्फ एक रेड बॉल बचा है, तो अगले साल WTC भी अगर जीतेश तो भाई मजा. और ये टीम ऐसी लग रही है ब्रो. आई टेल यू द हॉलमार्क ऑफ हाउ यू नो योर टीम इज प्लेइंग वेल इज व्हेन ex-cricketers of other countries start coming up with conspiracy theories for your team's performance. इंजमाम ने बोल दिया है कि ये अर्शदीप इतनी विकेट ले रहा है क्योंकि उसका बॉल 15 ओवर में रिवर्स स्विंग हो रहा है, कोई झोल है, बॉल को चेक करना चाहिए. तो वसीम अकरम हैज कम आउट एंड सेड, भाई आप प्लीज बिल्कुल ऐसे बातें ना करें, क्योंकि आप नहीं आती, लेकिन हमें शर्म महसूस करने थे बाहर, ऐसी बातें ना बोले.
Even Michael Vaughan came out and said something, na? Ki like the fixtures or something, like we knew
That's
India
also
knew where
happened
they
in the
were.
past. We knew our semi-final venue before
Semi-final
anybody
venue.
else, so you could play for. But I'm like, boss, देख, अगर तेरा देश 5.8 million concurrent viewers ला सकता है only on OTT plus million other views there, advertising revenue, फिर हम लोग UK time के
1
साथ
second, 5.8 billion, whatever you're talking
Screens.
about, concurrent is screens
50 million
in India alone. You're not worth.
alone. तू मैं स्टार स्पोर्ट्स टीवी तो गिना ही नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ ऐप पे बोल रहा हूँ. तेरा हॉटस्टार ऐप खोल के उतना आ रहा था एक टाइम पे, तो अभी तू स्टार स्पोर्ट्स देखेगा तो कितना होगा. तो जब इंग्लैंड वाले ऐसे नंबर्स लेके आएंगे, विल प्ले अकॉर्डिंग टू लंदन टाइम. तब तक भाई अपना है तो अपना चलेगा. अभी क्या बोले.
Bro, also this
Arey,
was
but
a
what,
World
it's
Cup
allowed
where
also.
this was a World Cup
ICC
where
stands for Indian cricket, bro.
this was a World Cup where there was a lot of washed out matches, lot of rain delays, DLS, like a lot, na?
Did you feel the World Cup actually began in the last 10 days?
Yes. The moment they left that
उसमें एक तो
NASA county.
नसाओ काउंटी, उधर नसाओ बन रहे थे ना 150 बेंच. ऐसे और रैंडम जोक्स मारे कॉटन बोल्ट. अगर तुम लोग ने देखा है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो हाउ बैड आई वाज.
Arey, but Thakur, you know na what we discussed, what a sapna it must be, what a sapna it is to have done that, considering how much I also wanted.
अरे ब्रो, अभी
Only if I wasn't traveling.
अभी अपन नंबर्स तो लेके आए और हम लोग अभी गुड लक चार्म बन गए. बिकॉज व्हाट वाज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन November 19, 2023
y'all were
You
on
were
it.
not.
I was not on air. अभी बस अभी से रोज आऊंगा. अभी तो ब्रो मैंने सीवी अपडेट कर दिया. टेकन विकेट ऑफ वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग, ट्वाइस वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग
Very good.
2007 and
and
2014.
2024. वैसा
चलो,
नहीं.
on that note, मेरे को जाने का है अभी.
किधर जा रहा है?
अरे भाई देश
By the way,
दूसरे देश में
बाबा
यार, जाने
बाबा
दो.
had
रोने
said
वाला था हम
उसको
लोग को
5
लगा थोड़ा
मिनट.
रो ना.
बाबा said उसको 5 मिनट के लिए आना था ये पॉडकास्ट पे. 55 मिनट हो चुके.
तो रुक 5 मिनट रुक, फिर पूरा उसको 1 घंटा बना लेते हैं, फिर जा.
अरे अरे तेरा इंट्रो टिकट बेचते बेचते 5 मिनट हो
हो
जाएगा.
गया, टिकट बेच लिया, सब कुछ हो गया.
या सब किया हम लोग ने.
और क्या
Oh no,
लेकिन
bell icon is left. That's the
तुमको
only thing.
इसके बाद तुम विराट, रोहित और जड्डू को T20s में नहीं देखोगे. एंड ऑफ एन एरा ब्रा.
यार
आई थिंक बट परफेक्ट वे राइट कि तू जीत गया, तू अपना कर लिया सब कुछ. और ऑल्सो आई थिंक देयर वाज दैट वन थिंग ऑफ कि अरे गौतम गंभीर आ रहा है अभी और भाई पूरे मूड में आ रहा है पूरा रीशफल वफल करने के लिए, तो उसके पहले ही
बट गंभीर इज कोच, इट्स डन.
I mean, that's what is the rumor right now. अभी जिम्बाब्वे टूर के लिए लक्ष्मण is going, but I think श्रीलंका टूर से we'll have Gauti.
When is Zimbabwe tour?
Who gives a shit?
Kautuk has not heard the word Zimbabwe cricket in how many years? Tell me now.
Since Heat
Kautuk, which is
streak
the
was
last
around.
Zimbabwe Heat streak? Oh, not even Henry Olonga.
नहीं भाई, heat
Heat
streak,
streak.
Andy Flower, Grand Flower.
Flower, yeah.
अपने उन लोग से भी हारते थे कितने बार. बहुत टफ मैचेस
Correct,
होते थे
correct.
जिम्बाब्वे.
Zimbabwe was
correct.
a good team. हाँ, at one point, yeah.
बट क्या
Yeah,
मजा
no.
आया.
I'm surprised that we have a break. Like this cricketing schedule just feels like ये खत्म हुआ फिर अगले दिन तू एक टूर्नामेंट खेल, फिर वो खत्म हुआ फिर अगले दिन तू टूर कर.
Yeah.
और 4 दिन में एक और वर्ल्ड कप आ जाएगा, फिर एक और
Yeah.
ट्रॉफी आ
I
जाएगी.
think they're just angry they're not getting to leave. They're not getting
Hey,
to come
one
back
sec,
to
World
India
Test
because वो बारिश में
Championship,
अटके हुए हैं.
World Test Championship
by the way,
कब है?
Indian team still stuck in Barbados. हाँ, देखो मालूम है बाबा.
Yeah.
उधर स्टॉर्म या हरिकेन वार्निंग आ रहा है, तो उन लोग को सेलिब्रेट भी नहीं करने मिल रहा है इंडिया के.
Hey, one sec, sorry, I also wanted to mention one thing while all this is happening. The Indian Women's South Africa World Cup, the Indian women's test team is playing South Africa women.
हाँ.
And oh my God, but you should absolutely see what has happened, where Shefali
happened?
Verma has scored her first century. But wait, it is not a century, it is a double century.
Oh wow.
He has scored 205.
Wow.
Crazy.
Yeah, and we have done unbelievably well. We won by 10 wickets because we had to score 37 to win in the fourth inning.
Wow.
Yeah, including a follow-on which we gave them, by the way.
हाँ, मैं पूछने ही वाला था. हाँ.
So including a follow-on. But here's the thing. So Smriti Mandhana is interviewing Shefali, and Smriti Mandhana says, आपका ये आपकी पहली सेंचुरी थी, तो आपने सोचा था कि मैं सेंचुरी तब तक नहीं बनाऊंगी जब तक मैं डबल सेंचुरी बना.
उससे एक आए हैं तो एक 1 पे 2
so
1 पे 2
well
तो
put.
लेके जाना
And the charm is that they were playing. I mean, it was day 3 on the day of the final. No, day 2 or something on the day of the final. So no one paid attention to that, but that's also a stellar
But
achievement.
you know, that's the thing. Our women's team, our men's team, like killing across competitions, across countries. But yes, like when the World Cup happened, अभी जीतने के बाद, can you imagine there'll be so many new kids who now have a new idol or an icon that they are now going to start following. Like Sachin keeps talking about that 1983 World Cup win. The reason that
Yeah.
is so paramount is because suddenly it gave hope to an entire nation where people like a Sachin said that, nahi bhai, I want this, I want to do this for my country again. तो सचिन को खेलते हुए देखा, तब एक विराट कोहली आया. विराट कोहली ने सचिन को देख के बोला, भाई मेरे को अपने कंट्री के लिए ऐसा करना है. नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आ रहा है. सेम वे सबका.
Who is your idol and why is it Bumrah? So
But this is true.
Bro, we are going to get bowlers. We are going to get bowlers. There's an entire
Dude,
generation of bowlers coming.
Someone had said this, and it's so true, that he has made bowling sexy.
Yes.
yeah.
You know, like he's made it look as captivating and as cool as it was
Aspirational.
to.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Like
बिल्डिंग में बच्चे अपना बैट नहीं अपना बॉल लेके आ रहे. कि वैसा होता ना कि मेरा बैट है, चले
बॉल
जाओ,
लेके घर
पब्लिक बोलेगी
जाएगा.
तू जा, मैं बॉलिंग करूंगा खाली स्टंप को, तो तेरे को खेलना है तो तू आ, वरना बॉल में.
superb.
That's
Superb.
quite dark. चलो ठीक है. ऑन दैट नोट भाई, Congratulations once again
Yes.
to everybody. बहुत ही insane World Cup रहा है. If you have any interesting stories of what you were up to when we were lifting the cup, or any fun stories from the intense game that this final was, let us know in the comments. Once again, a quick reminder about Europe, UK, India tour tickets. नीचे पड़े, please ले लो. दूसरी चीज, guys, it's a hygiene announcement.
Like.
Sure, like, share, subscribe. घंटा बजाओ, बेल आइकॉन बजाओ, because you will get intimation of vlog, podcast, फलाना टिमका faster. And जो लोग अनफॉलो कर रहे हैं, भाई प्लीज यार वापस फॉलो करो. अगर तुम हो तो फक ऑफ, अगर तुम इंसान हो तो प्लीज वापस आओ और फॉलो करो. एंड सबको फैलाओ ये और लोगों को दिखाओ. एंड अगले हफ्ते वापस देखने आओ. On that note, that's the end of this episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salam ishq. जीत गया.
मेरी जा सरा कबूल कर लो.
I've not heard Lehra Do so many times as I
लहरा
have in
दो,
the
घनन
last.
घनन. और by the way, किसने गाया है थीम सॉन्ग? Shonda Paul.
Oh,
Oh,
Or do you know the history of why he keeps saying Shonda Paul?
why does he keep saying?
I will
Shonda?
tell you. So, Sean Paul, the singer, who is from the
Sean the
is
Paul.
a huge fan, or was a huge fan of Shiv Naren Chandar Paul. याद है चंदर पॉल वेस्ट
Oh.
इंडीज.
Oh,
And the way Sean Paul says Chandar Paul is Shonda Paul,
Sean the Paul.
which also sounds like Sean da Paul, and hence he used to say Shonda Paul.
that's
Wow.
So I'll give it to her. So
unbelievable
I'll give it
piece
to
of
her.
trivia.
All
Well done.
girls, 5 million and 5
Chalo, on that note, bye.